In today's episode, I really want to break down to you guys the easiest way to find new and trending Solana meme coins early, especially if you guys are interested in scalping and just basically long term investing. So, what we are going to be concentrating in, what we're going to be looking at for the most part today is using this simple wallet that each and everybody has, Phantom Wallet. So now if you take a look at Phantom Wallet, right, it has got this amazing feature. So I really hope that you guys already know what exactly Phantom Wallet is. I know for a fact that you have already used Dexscreener, you've already used Bullx, but this method is very, very overpowered, and I have been receiving very, very good results with regards to using this method to finding, or rather to find trending Solana meme coins. So if you take a look at this, right, this is Phantom Wallet, and you guys can get the extension everywhere on Brave, on Google Chrome, Mozilla, Microsoft Edge. This particular Solana wallet is absolutely everywhere. So, in case you guys don't really understand what I'm talking about, right? So, we are going to be finding and discovering trending Solana meme coins inside the Phantom wallet. So, why is this particular method very, very good? Well, it's because a lot of people use Phantom wallet because it is one of the most popular Solana wallets as far as keeping, trading, and storing oil coins. These guys have got data like crazy. They've got a lot of generated data as far as all these aggregated methods and data points are concerned, especially when it comes to extracting data. So this is one of the reasons why their compiled list is definitely going to be able to do very well. However, once you go to the trending button, which is obviously this one right over here, it's the middle button. So you've got the home button, you've got that one, and then you've got this particular button where you can be able to convert and pay, swipe, and just do your thing right over here. So all you have to do is scroll to the bottom. When you scroll to the bottom right here, you are going to be able to see this particular trending tab, and you can choose the type of blockchain that you want to use. If you are trading on base, you can just basically be able to take a look at that, okay, and choose what you want. So today we're going to be concentrating on Solana. The other important filter that you have to use, especially if you want to catch these trends pretty early, is you're supposed to look at the 1 hour. So here we've got different time frames. We've got the 1 hour, the 24 hour, the 7 day, and the 30 day. So these different hours give you different types of risks. You understand? So for example, a coin which is trending for only the past 1 hour is more risky than a coin that has been trading for the past 30 days. So if you go to the past 30 days, right, you are obviously going to be able to see the type of coins that have been trending. So if you are able to go back and sort of do your research, well, when you click on the coin, right, you grab the contract address, and then you go to an aggregator such as Dexscreener, and just simply be able to paste the contract address. So the goodness about Phantom Wallet is you're able to see, genuine data. And besides this, right, you're obviously supposed to do your own other due diligence, because if you take a look at this, right, this particular meme coin became very popular due to the fact that this Luigi guy was, making a lot of waves. He was all over news in the United States, but right now it really doesn't look like it's going to go anywhere, because this was like a very time sensitive type of investment. So as you can see, it really did very well, but it's just been having a slow crash right over here. It has been gradually reducing in value, which is absolutely crazy. So this is one of the reasons why I'm saying, look, if you want to find the best coins, still do your own due diligence, filter them out by the different time frames. Because if a coin has been trending for the past 30 days, right, for example, let's take a look at trust process. If it has been consistently consistent with regards to trending in the past 30 days, right, it really means it has got very good attention, and there's obviously something about it. This is one of the reasons why people are gravitating towards it, right? So when you filter out these different trending coins based on the hour, Like, for example, if you take a look at this, right, this is a very good chart right over here. So all you have to do is now use your technical analysis background. So if I were you, I would obviously look for an order block. If you guys have been part of my YouTube channel, I've been talking about this for a very long period of time. So I would wait to see how the price is going to react to this previous resistance. So if the previous resistance ends up being support, right, then obviously it could end up doing better and it could end up bouncing. But you still have to wait for the price to interact with this particular level of order block right over here, so that you can get to figure out whether it's worth investing in, due to the fact that it has got a higher probability of pumping right back. Okay, so now getting back to our topic, my emphasis is it depends on what your goal is and what you really want to do. So if, for example, you just want to like find a trade to trade today, and you know take a look at the 1 hour. When you take a look at the 1 hour, just browse through all the different types of coins. And the goodness about using the trending tab in Phantom Wallet is you're not really going to be overwhelmed by a lot of options, because a lot of you guys have got analysis paralysis. A lot of information has been bombarded to you on a daily basis. It's hard for you to sort of come up with a conclusive type of action oriented move that you're going to do. So this is one of the reasons why, if you have only a few options right over here, it's easy for you to find the biggest and the best risk to reward ratio, if I can put it that way. So for example, let's go to Ept Monkey. We scroll down, we grab the contract address, and we end up, we search for it, and then we take a look at how it has been performing. So this coin has been around for how long? So let's also go to Bullx. Let me do that. Paste in the contract address and see how it has been performing. Okay, so this one has been around for the past 1 day. Okay, so obviously now take a look at this. Let's go to the past 2 hours. So if you discovered this coin yesterday, because as you can see, right, it has been around in the markets for the past 24 hours, and during that period of time there were a lot of investment trading opportunities. So what I usually like encouraging people is you have to be good at technical analysis. When you are good at technical analysis, right, and then you figure out something that's trending, then you're going to end up doing very well, because you are filtering out the results by 1 hour. So when you are seeing something which is trending for the past 1 hour, right, don't have a long-term mentality. Of course, there could be some outliers. There could be some coins that could just end up, straight killing it in the next 7 days, but that is highly unlikely. So the fresher a coin is, the fresher the trend has been, the fresher a coin has been trending, the more risky it is, because sometimes people just artificially sort of pump these coins. There's a lot of marketing ploys that can be utilized in order for them to sort of pop up on this particular list. However, I've been testing and I've been doing a lot of trial and error. One thing that I can tell you is, most of the times, a lot of these coins that pop up on the Phantom Trending platform usually have got a 60% to about 70% chance that they can do very well. The other 30% is where you have to come in and you use your risk to reward analysis type of situation. Like, for example, take a look at this. This coin was trending since yesterday, right? There were many trading opportunities. All you have to do is be very good and scalp and get your money, exit, do what you have to do, call it a day, and you know how it is. You just keep it moving. Okay, so right now I really believe that this was the end of this particular trade. Maybe in the future it could bounce back and end up going, but based on this particular trading action, this one is highly likely going to end up dumping. More of the story is filter out the results and understand that the lower the time frame, 1 hour coins that have been trending are riskier than 24-hour coins. So if you go to the past 24 hours, this is what we're getting. So let's take a look at this random coin. We click on buy or cry and grab the contract address. Okay, when we do that, we paste it in. Let's take a look at the graph and see what's happening, and if it's still worth investing in. So this one was a very good coin to trade as well if you were early. And this is one of the reasons why I really love using the 1 hour trending filter, because it sort of allows me to you know, get in early when there's still price pumping about to happen. The thing about Phantom, right? Like once a coin appears here, it has got about 24 hours. It has got a 24-hour make or break type of situation. Maybe 6 hours, if I can put it that way. Maybe 6 hours. You know, and then if it fails to sustain the pump, then it just ends up crashing. But you have got that particular period. The reason why you've got about, you know, six hours to about 24 hours is due to the fact that the trending notifications are going to be in your feed as far as the wallet is concerned. So more and more people are going to sort of discover this coin. They're going to invest, and they're just going to throw some more money in it. So it takes a little bit of time for this attention to be lost. And this is one of the reasons why when I usually see coins on the 1 hour trending tab, I usually take a look at each and every coin. I look at each and every coin. Then, amongst all the coins that I analyze, I pick the best or the highest odd type of coins that, you know, I have got the best risk to reward ratio. So remember, do not neglect other things that we have talked about as far as you know, our thesis and our investment criteria. Okay, you have to look at the consistency. You have to look at you know, the volume, the demand, the number of community holders, and how these coins are interacting with the psychological levels. Remember what I have been teaching you guys for the past couple of months, right? If the psychological levels are respected, like for example, this one right over here, 250,000 US dollars is a very important psychological level. Once you lose that, probably your coin is going to end up dying. And right now, it's trading around the 150,000 psychological level. So if you take a look at the number of holders as far as this coin is concerned, right? Take a look at this. The number of holders is only 2,141. This coin is probably not going to go anywhere because there isn't a lot of interest coming through. So I really believe it's not going to sustain the pump, even though it really looks very good. Maybe it might end up coming back to this level, but when it comes to this level, it's probably going to go dead, you know. So it's probably not going to be able to like go back to the previous all-time high. But you have to look at the community. You have to look at how active the team is. Are they marketing some other stuff? Are they doing some other stuff to like sort of, you know, keep the price pumping? So those are the different aspects that you shouldn't forget, because these things are very important. So remember, do not neglect all these things. Take a look at the volume as well. Take a look at you know, how many sell orders, or rather buy orders, are coming through. All those things really matter. So moral of the story, in summary, go to your Phantom wallet, click on the exchange tab right over here, filter out the results by 1 hour, 24 hours, 7 day, 30 day. So if you are looking for short scalps, right, if you just want to get in, get out, and keep it moving, right, all you have to do is go to the 1 hour and make your trades. So when you go on the 1 hour, right, filter, and you figure out what you're going to be trading, remember, use these psychological levels and use the basic technical analysis that I have been letting you guys know about. Bullish flag on the psychological levels is going to help you, because that's obviously going to you know, show a very good potential of a pump. You know, if you take a look at the VWAP, the volume weight aggregated price action, and the session volume profile as well, you can easily tell when a bullish flag is forming and when a breakout is about to happen, because, you know, the volume is continuing to pump. So if you guys don't really understand what I'm talking about right now, just take a look at my previous episodes. I did really go deep into the psychological TA levels and how you're supposed to sort of time your entry on these amazing different psychological technical levels. I don't want to do that because it's going to be repetitive and it's not really new information for my consistent subscribers. Okay, so yeah, basically that's it. Use this information with a lot of what you call this, you have to put your own input in it. You have to use your own intellect to see which coins you can and you cannot, because for the most part trading is about figuring out what you can invest in and also understanding what you need to avoid. So this trending feature right over here just helps you filter out the best, highest probable trades that can really give you very good results. And remember what I told you, have a short-term mentality, especially if you're filtering them out by the 1 hour, and be extremely careful to sort of have a long-term mentality, especially if you go on a high time frame. So personally, I only use the 1 hour. To be honest with you, I don't even use the 30-day time frame. Just the 1 hour is good for me because I want to get in early, because the essence of making a lot of money in a short period of time and finding the best opportunities is you have to be early. So why are you going to be looking at a coin that has been trending for the past 30 days? I mean, that's absolutely ridiculous. So to me, using the 1 hour filter, as a matter of fact, I only use the 1 hour filter. You understand? So yeah, that's basically it. This is all I had for you today. And remember, on the 5th of January, so let me even show you, if you guys are not really part of my public Telegram group, my Telegram group is in the link below. It's in the description box below. Be part of my Telegram group, because as you can see right over here, on the 5th of January 2025, exactly at 5 p.m. UTC, I am going to share with you an amazing project which is going to do 100x in a short period of time. Like in less than 3 months, this thing is going to do 100x. You guys are probably going to get in under 100k. So right now, if you're listening to me and if you want to make life-changing money in January 2025, you barely have 5 days right now. So check the link in the description box, join my Telegram group. I will post this project which is going to change your life, because it's gonna do 100x or even more. Okay, I'm going to share the contract address, and then you can obviously use Bullx. Once you get the contract address, it's easy for you to use Bullx. You can also use Phantom or Photon or whatever you use. It doesn't really matter, but keep this on your wallet, on your calendar. Put a timer. If you're listening to me right now, set a reminder on your phone. 5th January 2025, exactly at 5 p.m. UTC, in my public Telegram group, I am going to share the CA of a project which is going to change your lives. I'm not really going to dive deep into it, but I'm telling you, it's gonna be ridiculous. It's gonna be crazy, because we are looking at the biggest meta right now, which is obviously, now I'm going to say a lot. I don't really want to ruin the surprise, but anyhow, the link is going to be in the description, or it's going to be pinned on the comment section below. So feel free, everybody watching this video right now, go to my Telegram group. Wait for 5th January, exactly at 5 p.m. UTC. I will give you an amazing investment opportunity. A lot of you guys are probably not even going to be able to manage to get in below 100k, because there's going to be a lot of demand. A lot of people are going to be, buying this one. So there's a high chance that you're not going to get in below 100k. But if you get in as quick as possible, if you're going to be waiting for the CA, then you've got a higher probability. But most of the times, people usually do not end up getting it as cheap as 100k, but it is absolutely possible. So the cheapest you get it, the better for you. So this is one of the reasons why you do not have to be late, because it's going to be posted exactly at 5 p.m. UTC. So everybody right now, check the link in the description or check the pinned comment. Join our Telegram group right over here. These are the number of subscribers that I have, 930, and yeah, all these people are probably going to be participating, so it's going to be huge. So yeah, talk to you guys a little bit later. Subscribe to my YouTube channel because I really give you a lot of exciting information. So 1 out of 10, how helpful was this information? Did you guys know how to use Photon to find amazing trending cryptocurrencies? Have you guys ever heard of this information anywhere on YouTube? So please let me know in the comment section below. Do you get the gist of what I was trying to explain? You guys have been awesome. God bless you, and talk to you a little bit later.